What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Mike, Hawk Crypto Mining, and today we're going to talk about cell phone mining. Now, I will say this before we get into it. I was not a fan of cell phone mining. I'm like, these phones are going to be crazy expensive, and how much hash rate are you really going to get? But I'll be honest with you, I dived into it, I took a shot, I got the phone at a deal, and I'm impressed. Honestly, I'm really impressed. So I want to share my experience with you guys, and I want to know what you think. So let me know in the comment section below. All right. Let's roll the intro, let's roll the ad, let's get to it.
We are explorers of the unknown. It's in our nature. Be it exploration or invention, we have envisioned, explored, and built what was never before known. Our journey has just begun. Whatever may be next, GPU Risers is here with you. GPUrisers.com, built by miners for miners.
Okay guys, before we get started, I just want to be clear, this is not a how-to video. If you're looking for some really how-to content, check out Mr. Retro Mike Tech and Mr. ChumpChangeXD. They both have great step-by-step guides on how to set up a cell phone miner. So make sure you guys check that out. The link is in the description below. Okay, so I want to give you a little bit of a background on how I even got into this. So we were on a live stream one night. I can't remember which one, honestly, but we were all talking about cell phone mining. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get into this, right? It was Prime Day at Amazon. These things were on sale for $35. This is the Samsung Galaxy A03s. Now, it's not the most expensive phone, but it's actually kind of nice, right? I bought 15 of them. Yeah, I'm like, look, if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. At $35 a piece, it wasn't that bad. And honestly, I actually really do like this. Now, it does hash at right around 2 mega hash. I am getting just under that right now, according to the phone. The cool thing is that it barely runs at 2 watts. I think this is just under 2 watts right now. So it's crazy efficient. It's obviously running on Wi-Fi. And what's really cool is I can remote in. Now, let me show you that. Okay, so looking at this, this is pretty awesome. Now you can remote in on your computer and manage this fully without even going near the phones. Now, Retro Mike's brand new video about this covers how to install the software on it. I believe it's Tight VNC Viewer. Okay, so that's what we're using to remote in. Follow his step-by-step guide, it'll explain everything. Here's why I like this feature. Because obviously we cannot connect a Samsung Galaxy or any other phone for that matter to HiveOS. Most of us use HiveOS and some other management softwares, right? This makes it 10 times easier. So you can just log in, you can see all the phones, get into their IPs, and just completely manage the phone. Now I'll do it with you guys on stream. What's really cool is I can swipe down here like this, and it acts just like the phone. I think this is great, honestly, and you can use your mouse and do it, right? It's really cool. You can go through the apps and everything like that. You can go here and then you can see everything that is running. So it's honestly very, very convenient. Now, what is interesting about this is that I thought this would be a pain because I don't know Linux very well. So once I followed the guide, I mean, it was awesome. Like, it was mad easy, no issues, and I gotta say, guys, I'm really impressed with this. Okay, so here's the pool that I'm currently mining to, luckpool.net. This pool is great. I've had no problems with it, but this has the majority of the hash rate for Varus. I'm currently waiting on Mr. Rabid Mining to finally release his Varus coin pool so I can switch all my rigs over there, spread that hash rate out, support another crypto miner and YouTuber, and honestly, keep it within the community. That's what we need to do. So moving forward, I want to show you guys what's up here. You can see that I have my phone, Android 1, hashing about 2.5 mega hash. according to the pool. Now, I know there's a discrepancy between what the phone says and the pool. This is not uncommon, but it is a large gap. So I am going to ask some questions about this. I am kind of curious as to why it is doing that. When I find out, I'll let you know. So honestly, guys, I know it looks intimidating. You got to set up Linux and download these apps and do all this crazy stuff, right? Honestly, it's not that bad. I am still learning the technical side of things. I'm relatively new into crypto mining, just over a year now. And honestly, we're doing this together. So if you don't know and I don't know, we'll find out together. Here's something to brighten your day. So 15 of these cell phones arrive at my front door. My fiance comes up to me and goes, "Why did you buy 15 cell phones?" And I just went, "In case I want to call somebody more than once." Needless to say, she didn't really like that answer. Sorry. So I get this a lot when I bought these phones. "Hawk, you're never going to make money on these phones. It's like 2 cents a day. What are you doing? Why would you buy a $35 phone, and let alone 15 of them?" Well, let me tell you, because I think it's cool. Honestly, I'm a crypto miner, and finding other ways to crypto mine is awesome. Like, if I could crypto mine on my television, I would figure it out. And I think that's cool. I think it's awesome that we can find ways to integrate crypto mining into everyday things like cell phones or TVs or whatever, right? If we can mine on a TV, that would be pretty dope. If you know how to do that, I want to know. But honestly, I do it for the entertainment. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys really like it. If there's anything else about cell phone mining that you want to know, please let me know in the comment section below. I know this was a very short video, not very long today. I just wanted to cover the bases with it. The efficiency is crazy. If you guys are focused on efficiency, cell phone mining may be the way to go. It uses next to nothing in power. You get 1 to 2 mega hash, maybe 3, depending on the phone that you get. And honestly, there's not a GPU on the block that could beat that kind of efficiency. Honestly, there's no algorithm on any GPU on earth that'll beat that. So if that's what you want to do and you can get these phones cheap, go right ahead. That's not financial advice. Just remember, you do this at your own risk, and crypto mining is volatile and risky. So be careful. So thank you guys so much. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video. Hawk out.